Hello beautiful people, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. Today we're going to learn how to remove your Gmail account from your Android phone. So let's begin. So what you're going to do, you get your phone, then you're going to click on the settings app. So when you click on the settings icon, it's going to display this interface. Then you're going to click on Google, as you're seeing. When you click on Google, it displays the default account. So I'm going to click here. When I click on my account, it's going to display this interface. Then I'm going to scroll down here on manage accounts. When I click on manage accounts, it's going to display this interface of account and synchronize. So I'm going to scroll down. I click on Google. When I click on Google, it's going to display the list of email accounts that I have, Gmail accounts. So if I want to delete this, I simply select that Gmail account as you're seeing. Then I click on these three dots down as you're seeing. I click on remove. When you click on remove and you tap the remove button, your account is going to be removed. So that's how you're able to remove your Gmail account from your Android phone. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and save it to your favorite. Thank you.